So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and today we will be looking at how we can insert a drag and drop freeform type of a quiz, and we'll be first inserting a slide and then we'll be making it a freeform drag and drop type of quiz and also utilizing hotspots in the process. So let's look at how this is done. So firstly I will just go ahead and insert a blank slide, this time not a graded slide or something, simply a blank slide, that's it. Just write drag and drop so that we know that we are trying to build in this type of question. Okay, I will add a few resource picture files. So I'll go ahead and insert, and I will insert certain pictures. So I will take these three pictures, also the box. So this is a bag, this is a piece of bread, these are books, and then again I go to the picture file, and I take in this box. Now I basically want to create a quiz wherein it's pretty obvious that someone cannot store bread. They can store perhaps this bag and books, but not like the bread. I want to create a drag and drop simulation in which I'm asking the user to tell me what all they can drop in the box. So that's what I want to create. Now, how do I go about doing that? So there's an option, and that is you can go ahead, tap on insert, and then you have this convert to freeform slide. And you have quite few many options, one of which is drag drop. So once you create a drag drop simulation, so what happens is you are basically making all this objects in your slide draggable. So kind of, you have anytime you make a question, you get a form view and a slide view, like we already know. So we go to slide view, and let's do one thing. It's pretty good convention to name your objects properly. So we'll make this books, we'll make this bag, and we'll make this bread, and basically this is the box. So this is so far so good. Also what I want to do is I want to go ahead and insert a small hotspot. So basically I don't want it to go here, there. I want the user to go ahead and put only in this zone. So this is basically my drop zone. So let me just name this drop zone. Okay. So this is the drop zone, and these are all the items which are draggable. Now let's go to form view. So drag items means which items are draggable. So all this bread, bag, then books, and drop target is, so you basically want it to be in the rectangular hotspot. So bread, can it be dropped? No, it can't. So you can select drop. So the right answer will have nothing for bread, but yes, again the rectangular hotspot here, and for the books, yes, you will be getting it on the hotspot. So this is where you are dragging and then specifying the options also. You go to drag drop options and select this return item to start point if dropped outside. What it means is if any item is dropped anywhere outside, it will come back to its original place. Don't put this label drag item one at a time, otherwise only one will show, then the next, it will not show at all. So, and this option here, how they get piled up, so I prefer snap to center. So as soon as you drop, they will go directly to the center. So okay, so basically all three have to be selected and submitted, and that's when we will be giving the right or wrong answer. So if user selects this two inputs and says this is the option, then it's wrong. If user only has this particular combination, where is the first bag and the books are dropped, then it's right, as it's obvious here. The whole question response incorrect, you can see here we will give them more attempts, and because of that, now when you go to slide view, you can see the try again layer has come. So in case the user does it wrong, you will get more attempts. You can make it more or unlimited depending on how you want to go about doing it. So feedback by question, that's great. Don't want to shuffle my choices, and the result slide we haven't created so far. So far so good. Let's do one thing. Let's go ahead and save this project, and let me go ahead and preview this slide. So if I put the bag, and then so you are seeing they're all getting stacked right at the center, like what we selected, and we say this, then quite obviously because this was not supposed to go in, So you will see try again. So this really didn't work. So we'll try and replay again and now check like other combination. So maybe now I will do the right thing and like put in. So that's right. So again, if I replay and if you see if I try all three, so this will again be incorrect. So we can again replay and you can see only the right thing. So this is how you can create a drag drop simulation. So hopefully you have now understood like how you can create drag drop simulations, and like this can really build user engagement. So go ahead and do that. Include this also in your quizzes. Thank you.